Our planet is sounding a loud alarm. Scientists now tell us we have crossed 7 out of 9 planetary boundaries, the limits that keeps Earth's systems stable enough for life. For the first time ever, ocean acidification is among those breached boundaries. So what are planetary boundaries? These are thresholds in Earth systems like climate, water, biodiversity, nutrients, and more, beyond which we risk long term damage or irreversible changes. Crossing those boundaries doesn't mean everything collapses instantly, but it means the buffer zones are gone. We are entering danger zones where shocks like droughts, storms, species loss can accelerate more easily. Of the 7 boundaries now exceeded are climate change, biosphere integrity, land system change, freshwater use, biogeochemical flows, novel entities, and now ocean acidification. The trends in all these are worsening. Two boundaries remain: ozone depletion and aerosol loading, and they are more stable thanks to past action. Ocean acidification is the latest and deeply worrying addition. As atmospheric CO2 rises, the oceans absorb much of it. That CO2 reacts with seawater and turns it more acidic, reducing pH and making the water less hospitable for marine life. Scientists now estimate that about 40% of ocean surface waters and 60% of waters down to 200 meters depth have already passed safe acidification threshold. In polar regions, nearly all surface waters are over the threshold: 87% in the Southern Ocean, 84% in the North Pacific, and 78% in Arctic surface waters. When acidification increases, many marine creatures like corals, mollusks, shellfish, plankton find it harder to form shells or skeletons made of calcium carbonate. Some shells even begin dissolving. This damages entire food chains: tiny plankton, shellfish, up to fish, marine mammals, and the humans who depend on them. The boundary was crossed when availability of aragonite, a form of calcium carbonate, dropped below 20% of pre-industrial levels. Current estimates place it around 17%. This breach is not just an ocean issue. It weakens one of Earth's major carbon sinks. The ocean has absorbed about 30% of excess CO2 humans emitted over the industrial era. As the chemistry shifts, its capacity to absorb CO2 can decline, pushing more carbon to remain in the atmosphere, making climate change worse. If we do not change course, the future looks bleak. We risk hitting tipping points like ice sheets melting, rainforests turning into savannas, ocean circulation changes, monsoon failure, widespread species extinction. The systems that support food, water, and climate may shift in ways that are hard to reverse. Human health will suffer from starvation, diseases, displacement, and extreme weather. But there is still room for action. We must drastically cut CO2 emission, restore ecosystems, change agriculture systems, reduce pollution, protect and generate marine life, and rethink consumption. The fact that we haven't yet crossed the ozone or aerosol boundaries show that coordinated global action can work. This is loud and clear. Earth's health is critical. We still have a choice: continue deeper into danger or redirect humanity toward a safer, livable future. Thank you for watching.